Today I'm going to talk about the goals, like we should set the goals in our life. It doesn't matter what age you start, but when you start is good. So write down your goals because then you know like what you really want to do. Write it down on a paper and keep it with you and read it few times just to remind you and believe in yourself. Believe is good because without belief it is not possible. So believe in yourself and try to reach those goals by taking the action, making a plan and taking the action. Otherwise it will be just dreams and they will go with you. But if you write it down, make a plan, act on it, believe in yourself and take it very slowly to follow those dreams, so which will be good. So it's good to have the goals and to believe in yourself. Otherwise you don't know where you are going, what you are doing, and doesn't make the age doesn't make any difference. You can do it at any age. yeah so just write it down, put it and keep it in your pocket and read it few times and it will work. And believe. So what you think you can do, you can really do it. I tell you, that is a very, very, very good phrase and I believe in that. So what you think you can do, you can do it. Believe me. Yeah, it's possible. So just you have to work on it, and otherwise nothing will work. If you just make plans and have dreams and keep on dreaming all your life, it will be no use. So you have to make a plan, act on it. Yes. It will work, I guarantee. Okay, bye.